Okay guys, we have got a iPad which is iPad 12.9 inch 4th generation. So I thought maybe people who face this sort of little problems, it might help you. So we will put the password and 274. Okay, now do you see it's stuck on this screen, nothing is working. And if you're trying to turn it off, see, if I'm trying to turn it off, it's actually taking a picture, which is thinking as we are taking a picture, not turning it off. So it's just stuck here, nothing is happening. So what we're gonna do is, you can see here, volume up, volume down, hold the power on off button. And keep holding it. When you see Oppo logo, let the power button go. Okay, let's try again now. Yeah, got rid of the screen. So if you come up with this sort of problem, this is what you can try. Thank you.